The RW4 Plus is designed to identify and copy transponder keys. It's capable of code generation, archiving, and other options. It comes with the RW4 Plus unit, a power cord, the 12-volt transformer, the adapter to run the RW4 Plus from a vehicle's lighter socket, the snoop, an owner's manual, instructional DVD, and cables used only for updating software from your computer. Make sure you find the registration form, fill it out, and fax it back to CABA ILCO so we can register your machine for you. The registration is very important to ensure you receive all future updates. To power the machine up, plug the transformer cord into the rear of the RW4 Plus. Plug the power cord into the transformer and connect the other end to a 110-volt outlet. Then, just turn on the switch on the back of the unit. At first, the screen will say, "Connected to PC." To get to the main menu, press the Lock Rem or Local Remote button, and it will go to the main menu screen. Once there, you can scroll with the arrow keys and see everything the RW4 Plus can do. It can copy or identify transponder keys, enter a code, generate a code, archive, and under the Options menu, you can change the language, selecting from Italian, English, French, German, or Spanish. To copy a key using a fixed code or Texas Instrument encrypted code, place the cursor next to Copy and press Enter. The screen will say Insert Original Key. Place the customer's key in the antenna well. Press the RD button, which stands for Read. Once the RW4 Plus has read the key, it will tell you to remove the key. It will now display Key Data Processing. When it's finished, the screen tells you to insert blank key. Insert the blank key into the antenna well and press Write. The machine will say Operation Completed when it has written the transponder code to the key blank. At this point, you have two options. You can insert another blank key and press Enter to make another copy, or you can press the Escape key and go back to the main menu. The RW4 Plus will now ask if you want to memorize the previous code. If you want to create a database of your customers' codes, you could say yes, and it will memorize the code of your customer's key. You can store up to 100 codes on the RW4 Plus. To copy a key that contains a Phillips encrypted transponder, place the cursor next to Copy and press Enter. The screen will say Insert Original Key. Place the customer's key in the antenna well. Press the Read button. Once the RW4 Plus has read the key, it will tell you to remove the key, and then to insert Snoop. The Snoop is a device that is included with the RW4 Plus, used for capturing the two-way communication between the key and the vehicle when Phillips encrypted transponders are used. Insert the Snoop into the antenna well and press Enter. At this point, remove the Snoop and place its elastic band around the head of the customer's key. Next, take the Snoop with the key attached out to the customer's vehicle. Insert the customer's key into the vehicle's ignition and turn the key to the on position. You should notice one of the Snoop's LED lights illuminating. Turn the key back to the off position, and then back to the on position for a second time. You should now notice the Snoop's second LED light illuminating. You have successfully captured the necessary data to finish the cloning procedure. Return to the ILCO Easy Clone, insert the Snoop back into the antenna well, and press Enter. The information from the Snoop will be retrieved, and the screen will instruct you to insert original key. Place the customer's key back into the antenna well, and press RD. The RW4 Plus is now verifying the information retrieved from the Snoop with the customer's original key. It will now display Key Data Processing. Once completed, the RW4 Plus will instruct you to insert EHP key. Insert the appropriate ILCO electronic key and press WR, which stands for write. The screen will say Operation Completed when it has written the transponder code to the key blank. The new key blank is now ready to be cut in order to operate the vehicle's mechanical locks. At this point, you have two options. You can press Enter to make another copy of the key, or press the Escape key and go back to the main menu. The RW4 Plus will now ask if you want to memorize the previous code to store it in the internal database. To identify a key, go back to the main menu and scroll the cursor down to Identification. Press Enter, and the RW4 Plus directs you to Insert Original Key. Insert the key and press the RD Read button. The RW4 Plus will detect if there's a transponder and tell you the kind of transponder it is. In this case, it's a Texas Crypto, which you can look up in the operator's manual and link to a manufacturer. To get back to the main menu, press Escape 2 times. Scroll back down to Identification. Press Enter. Insert another key and press RD. In this case, a transponder was not detected. The RW4 Plus can also program transponder keys by manually entering codes. To do this, place the cursor next to the words Entering Code and press Enter. Now you can scroll down through the various types of transponders you can select: Megamos, Philips, Temic. Enter the chip you want. Then you can actually type in a code that you had previously stored in the RW4 Plus database or stored on some other medium. After you've typed in the correct code, press Enter, and you can program a writable transponder or an electronic key. On the main menu, place the cursor by Code Generation and press Enter. You can pick a transponder type, and it allows you to turn a read-write chip with no code on it into a key with a correctly formatted code. In this instance, we'll use a Megamos for a Honda. We'll press Enter next to the Megamos. RW4 Plus will generate a correctly formatted code and repeat that code on both lines. Press Enter, and it will say Insert Blank Key. Insert a key, and press the WR Write button, and it will write that random code to a read-write chip or electronic key. The RW4 Plus is capable of archiving 100 codes. Simply assign each customer a number, 0 to 99, and keep a record of their positions. Then, just type in their position number and press Enter to bring up that customer's code information to make them a new key. In this example, we'll go to the third memory position, 2. To get out of the menu, press Escape. Holden Commodore is a selection not used in North America. It's for an optional attachment for a Holden Commodore vehicle.